Blocked toilet, no plunger, guest arriving in half an hour. Don't panic and don't keep flushing. That risks an overflow. Here's the method that clears most blockages with stuff you've already got in your kitchen. Washing up liquid, hot tap water, not boiling, and a bucket or jug. Squirt a generous amount of washing up liquid into the bowl. It sinks down to lubricate the blockage and helps it slide through. Fill your bucket with hot water from the tap, as hot as it'll run, but not boiling from the kettle. Boiling water can crack the bowl and damage the seal underneath. Hot tap water is the safe sweet spot. Pour it in from waist height, in one steady go, aimed at the middle of the bowl. The height creates pressure that helps push the blockage through. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. The soap and heat need time to work. If the water level drops, repeat the whole process one more time. Then flush to confirm it's clear. Still not shifting after 2 goes? It's either further down the pipe or a solid object. Often wipes, even the ones labelled flushable. At this point you'll need a plunger, a toilet auger or a plumber. Only toilet paper should go down a toilet. Wipes, cotton pads and paper towel are behind most blockages, whatever the packet says. Keep a £3 plunger under the sink for stubborn ones, and if this saves you an emergency call out, hit subscribe. I post fixes like this every week.